Page 150, E minor scale study. A study piece on the E minor scale. Let's just take a look at it. Unfortunately, it looks like it's pretty much E minor scale for the right hand only, and it really should be both. But okay, we'll deal with it. 4/4 time, key of E minor, got one sharp, and we have the D sharp. We're using a harmonic minor here too. So in the first measure, you can do the scale. This is a piece of cake. You just do the scale. 1 and 2 and 3 and it's the harmonic scale, but that's fine. And then measure 3 is sort of the same thing. Just going up. And then for the last line, it's at 1 and 2 and. Just cross over 2 and. And for the last measure, I recommend you reach up, because if we did an E minor chord here, well, we can do it in an extended position, and that's where we reach up to the octave. That means 2 and 3. You need to be able to do this. This happens a lot in music. Even with small hands, do the best you can. And here at the bottom, if you just use that position, just here and then reach up, use 2 and 5 for the last measure. You don't have to move. I don't recommend it. Here if you can. Left hand, you got the primary chords. 5/7 chord. And then next line is a 1 chord. And the last line is 1 chord and 4 chord. The last two measures, all those notes are tied. See all those curved lines? They're tying all 3 of those notes. So you're going to hold them down forever and it's fine. Put the hands together. It's here. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and. And again, when I start to learn a piece of music, I play it all connected. And then when you have that, then we can add these staccatos and the slurs. So it's slurred here. Just nice light, short staccato. And then slur, staccato. And the left hand is staccato too. And then the last line is staccato here. Lift up. Yeah, that's the articulation. Then dynamics. You start out soft. Don't start crescendoing till you get to the C. That's a little louder. That B is still soft. There, now we're loud in the right hand. Left hand's down a little bit. And you're coming down. Come down about a moderately loud. Because now you're moderately loud. And we're back soft there at the end of that measure 3 there. The last two, that's where you come down. And the A and that in measure 3, that's still moderately loud. And then you come down. So forth. So for the last line, you're soft in the right hand and very soft in the left. Retardando, slow down. And just listen to the sound die away. It does it all by itself. And then when you play these notes in the last measure, try and match the volume. Try and match that volume here. Don't worry about the left hand. You're done with that. You just hold it down. You're thinking about the right hand there. Something like that. They're pedaling the last 2 measures. I disagree with that. I would not. You want it to kind of die away. I don't want to add all the overtones because that's just going to color it, and that's fine to color long notes. It tends to make it appears to be louder is my concern with it. So in that sense, I would prefer no pedal. Just leave it alone. Just play it like that. Leave it clean and dry. Speed-wise, Andante's stroll, just a leisurely thing. something like that's my impression of it. I'd play it different every time I'd play it. I like to play this with you slowly to check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics, but we'll go ahead and do the repeats and all that. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1 and 2 and ready and go and 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and repeat. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and off.